What's going on, everybody? Cack and Balls here again with another unboxing video. This time I'm going to call it the triple trifecta because I've got 3 items here to end up opening up. This item goes with this item, and this item is a standalone item, so we're going to go ahead and open this one up first. Gotta love that pack job. I don't know if you guys can see that or not. Let's bring that in here a little bit. Look at that. eBay tape on the corner, opened up, just cardboard folded over. Gotta love these pack jobs, right? Basically, first thing we have here, I'm going to slide this down. A while ago, I had ended up, I bought a, sorry, I was reading this. Ended up buying a Punch Power 25 to Life, 25th anniversary amplifier, Punch Power 1000. And I ended up sending that in to get fixed, and I figured, well, I might as well go ahead and buy the rest of it. So ended up buying the PPB1. So P is in Paul, P is in Paul, B is in Butterfly, and then 1. Ended up buying this for the amplifier because I figured I'm going to end up probably using it. So basically, there's the bass knob. Nothing too fancy. Like I said, I just picked this up because I knew that I'm going to be getting the amplifier back, and with it being a 5-channel amp, I'm thinking about running it in my vehicle and just using the 1 amp. So that item is done and over with, so we're going to move this back. This one is just shipped in a envelope here. They shipped it first class, which is interesting, so we'll go ahead and open this up. I'm using the trusty scissors today. Razor blade's been failing me. I need to get the blades replaced on here. So we've got this little pack job here. I'll open this up. And these are, I don't remember what they're called off the top of my head. Zoom in here on these. These are the terminal screws. Let me see. I got a light here for extra stuff. That way, if I need to bring something up close, then people can see it. Of course, my light doesn't want to stay there. So let me bring these over here. There you go. And these, I got a couple items that are missing these. I thought they were called wave screws, but I'm not 100% sure. Anyway, pick these up off of eBay. These are going to be used in conjunction with what's in the box here. So let me move my light back down here real quick. Try to get it all nice and positioned for you guys. All right, let me zoom back in on the box. So this is basically the meat and potatoes of what I'm making the video for. This item, I bought one of these not that long ago. Let me move this light back up here. This light is really bugging me today. Basically, bought one of these a couple weeks ago and came across it. Its brother, its big brother, and after I ended up paying for it and using my eBay bucks, it was free. So it didn't cost me anything. So got shake test would have failed on this thing, by the way, with the pack job on it. But anyway, my free amplifier. It is a Rockford Fosgate Series 1 2600X. This amplifier, as you can see, it's missing some of the terminal screws here. What is that? So there's something in there rattling around. I can see, bring this in here. And I don't know if you can see that or not. I'll bring this horrible light back up here. There you go. There's no crossover card in it. Unless it's in there somewhere. That's going to be an issue. I'm going to have to get a hold of the guy on eBay. Looks like I'll be getting a refund. Oh, hold on. Hold on. It's like a game of Plinko. I felt something in here. there's the other end of the amplifier, by the way. I can't seem to fish it out. Anyway, this is probably going to be kind of boring for you guys to watch. What the hell is he doing? Why is he shaking his amplifier around? Anyway, I'll have to figure out. Oh, there it is. I see it. Oh, there we go. Got it out. This is interesting. These are one of the new style cards. The older style have the resistors and stuff in here in line. This looks like it's a 200. So 200 hertz. That's not for this amp. That'd be interesting. Anyway, that'll do it for today. I'll get this all tested up, or hooked up and tested. Once again, Rockford Fosgate 2600X. Amplifier is rated at 2 by 85 watts into 2 ohms. 2 by 60 into 2 ohms. Sorry. That doesn't make... Okay. Dynamic power 2 by 85. RMS power 2 by 60. So anyway, this particular amplifier probably won't get used. But, you know, we'll see. Only time will tell. So there you go, guys. I'll have to get this hooked up and tested. See how everything's going to work out. So anyway, hope you guys liked it. Not a whole bunch of big stuff, but you know what? It's still old school Fosgate. So have a good one, guys. See you around.